Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word chụpụ. Chụpụ. Chụpụ pụtara send away, drive away, or send out. It means send away, drive away, or send out. Chụpụ. Chụpụ ebe a. Send him away from here. Chụpụ. Chụpụ ọkụkọ ebe a. Drive this chicken out from this place. Chụpụ ụmụaka na-eme mkpọtụ ebe a. Drive these children that are making noise out of here. Drive them away out of here. Chụpụ ọkụkọ a ebe a. Drive this chicken away from here. Now, you try to make your own sentence with chụpụ. I know you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to practice. The only way to learn and retain this knowledge is by practicing. So please ensure to practice. Don't forget to also subscribe and like as well. See you in our next video. Kemesia.